Hey everyone, this is the Honest Straight Review channel where I tell you the truth about the product straight to the point. Today we're going to do an honest and straight to the point review of the Medicinal Garden Kit, brand new. Does it really work? Is it worth buying? Watch until the end and get all your questions answered. In this video, you'll see what the Medicinal Garden Kit is, what it's used for, the pros and cons, my final opinion about the product, Medicinal Garden Kit. Today I'm going to talk about the Medicinal Garden Kit brand new, which promises to turn your backyard into a real natural pharmacy. This kit was created by Dr. Nicole Apelian, a biologist, herbalist, and survival skills instructor. After being diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, she started using natural remedies grown in her own backyard to manage her health. The kit includes seeds of 10 carefully selected medicinal plants, along with a free guide called Herbal Medicinal Guide from Seeds to Remedies, which teaches you how to turn these plants into tinctures, salves, teas, and much more. Pros: here are the benefits I found while using the Medicinal Garden Kit. Health self-sufficiency. Being able to grow natural remedies at home is a great way to take care of your health independently. Seed quality. The seeds are high quality and hand-selected to ensure optimal growth. Complete guide. The guide that comes with the kit is detailed and easy to follow, even for beginners. Variety of plants. The 10 included plants have a wide range of medicinal uses. Chicory, used to relieve pain and improve digestion. Yarrow, known for its healing and insect repellent properties. California poppy, helps promote deep restorative sleep. Marshmallow, excellent for digestive health and inflammation relief. Chamomile, traditionally used to ease pain and promote relaxation. Evening primrose, supports skin health and hormonal balance. Cons. Now let's talk about a few things that could be improved. Space requirement. You need to have a suitable area to grow the plants, which can be challenging for people living in apartments. Growth time. Plants take time to grow and be ready for use, so patience and dedication are required. Prior knowledge. Even though the guide is very complete, you might still need to do some extra research to grow certain plants effectively. In my opinion, the Medicinal Garden Kit brand new is worth it if you're looking for a natural and sustainable alternative to take care of your health. It's perfect for anyone interested in herbal medicine and who wants to have their own medicinal garden at home. However, I wouldn't recommend it for those who don't have the space or time to commit to plant cultivation. My final rating, 8.5. If this video helped you, leave a like. The official product link will be in the description. Drop a comment below sharing your thoughts and subscribe so you don't miss any of our honest reviews.